This video provides an overview of changes taking place to modernize and transform the U.S. national airspace system. We will talk about satellite-based navigation and how this technology is improving the nation's airspace. Satellite-based technology enables the FAA to improve safety and system efficiency, reduce delays, and provide a better experience for travelers. One aspect of satellite-based navigation is called PBN, or performance-based navigation. Traditionally, pilots have flown point-to-point using ground-based navigational aids. These ground-based systems are old, inefficient, and expensive to maintain. Congress has mandated the FAA use performance-based navigation at airports nationwide. PBN includes area navigation, or RNAV, otherwise known as RNAV, and required navigation performance, or RNP. This video will focus on RNAV. Ground-based navigation using very high omnidirectional range navigation, known as VOR, has been in place for over 70 years. But much like technology in our everyday lives, it is being updated and replaced by a system that is more efficient. Performance-based navigation offers the most direct route between any 2 points, much like what you use when you take advantage of your car's GPS. Through the FAA Modernization and Reform Act of 2012, Congress directed the FAA to use PBN throughout the national airspace system. As a result, many of the old ground-based navigational aids are no longer needed, being decommissioned. As these procedures are developed, the FAA is taking care to recognize community needs. All satellite-based procedures, including RNAV and PBN, are developed specific to an individual airport, recognizing its unique environment, including land use and the residents who live nearby. Every effort is made to route aircraft over non-residential areas, including highways and open land, whenever it can be done safely. RNAV procedures can be used in the departure, en route, and arrival phases of flight. These procedures reduce delays and possible communication readback errors between pilots and controllers. When a plane leaves an airport, RNAV Standard Instrument Departure Procedures, or SIDS, follow a published route to provide a precise, predictable path for the climbing aircraft. Standard Terminal Arrival Procedures, or STARS, do the same for arriving aircraft. All procedures are published on flight charts. When aircraft are equipped with GPS, or Flight Management Systems, or FMS, this guidance is programmed in, providing direction to the pilot at every step of the flight, reducing potential for distraction, and reducing potential pilot-controller readback errors. The FMS gives the pilot a predetermined departure path, or heading, altitude, and frequency for communications during each phase of flights. They can follow a heading or a vector that will disperse aircraft paths over a specific point. RNAV SIDS that use these type of headings are called vector RNAV SIDS. These procedures are developed with much study and care. The airport, airlines, FAA, and air traffic control join together to look at the airspace, the airport, and community needs, and other factors to determine what type of RNAV SIDS will be developed at a specific airport. PBN and RNAV, including SIDS, STARS, and other types of satellite-based navigation, improve safety by ensuring safe separation between aircraft. These procedures improve the safe, efficient movement of air traffic through the nation's airspace by providing more predictable flight paths, eliminating the potential for errors in pilot-controller readback. Please see our other YouTube videos for more information about how national airspace improvement is enhancing safety for all travelers.